If you're new to crypto, choosing the wrong exchange can cost you money, time, and peace of mind. In this video, I'll break down the best crypto exchanges for beginners: BitGet, GetGet, Bybit, and Binance, with clear pros and cons, so you can choose the one that fits you best. If this helps you, please like the video and subscribe. It helps more beginners find this content. Why choosing the right exchange matters. A good exchange should be easy to use, EC secure, fee affordable, and beginner friendly. Not every big name is best for beginners. So let's break them down one by one. BitGet, beginner friendly, and copy trading focus pros. BitGet is one of the most beginner friendly exchanges right now. Its biggest advantage is copy trading, which allows beginners to follow experienced traders automatically. The interface is clean and simple. You don't feel overwhelmed when you open the app. BitGet also supports spot trading, futures, and earns products without confusing menus. Security is solid, and they publish proof of reserves, a big plus for trust. Cons: BitGet has fewer listed coins compared to Binance. If you're looking for very new or obscure tokens, you may not find them here. Best for beginners who want simplicity and guidance. Quick reminder, if this breakdown is helping you, like and subscribe so more people can learn safely. Bybit, powerful but still beginner friendly pros. Bybit strikes a balance between simplicity and power. It's very popular for derivatives, but beginners can still use it comfortably for spot trading. The app is fast, smooth, and well-designed. Wow. Educational tools, demos, and tutorials make learning easier. Bybit also offers SUDI copy trading, strong liquidity, competitive trading fees. Customer support and uptime are also strong compared to many competitors. Cons: the leverage options can be tempting for beginners. If you're new, it's important to use low or no leverage and focus on learning first. Best for beginners who want to grow into more advanced trading over time. Binance, the giant of crypto pros. Binance is the largest crypto exchange in the world by volume. It offers the widest range of coins, features, and tools. Fees are among the lowest. Liquidity is extremely high. You can trade almost anything crypto-related in one place. For long-term users, Binance can replace multiple platforms. Cons for beginners: Binance can feel overwhelming. Too many features, menus, and options can confuse new users. Regulatory issues in some regions may also limit features depending on where you live. Best for beginners who want maximum options and are willing to learn gradually. Final recommendation. Here's the simple takeaway: BitGet 2, best for absolute beginners. Bybit TV, best for learning plus growing Binance savvy. Best for long-term, all-in-one use. There's no single best exchange, only the best one for your level and goals. If this video helped you make a smarter decision, like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone new to crypto. Let's help more people learn safely,